In order to properly focus your microscope, you need to worry about three things. You need the proper lighting, the proper slide and stage positioning, and the proper magnification to start with. So once you get your microscope plugged in and you've flipped the switch to on, look for the dimmer switch. This can make your light brighter or darker. I suggest setting it to a medium light to start, and then as you're focusing, you can try making it brighter and darker and see what makes the image look best. To put the slide on the stage, you need to pull back the slide clip and gently slide your slide into place, and then allow the slide clip to rest against the slide. Once your slide is secure, you can use the knobs, which are directly under the stage, to move the slide over the light. So one of the knobs is going to move it left to right, and the other will move it front to back. The magnifying power of your microscope is coming from your ocular lenses, which are 10x, and whatever objective lens you're using. So all of these are objective lenses, and they each have a different magnification. So the smallest objective lens has a 4 times magnification. When combined with the ocular lens, you will have a total of 40 times magnification. So as you're focusing, you're going to start low and move progressively higher. So when you're ready to start focusing, make sure you're on the lowest, which is the 4x with the red ring. So focus on the lowest objective. There is only one knob you need to worry about. There's this very large knob on the side that is the coarse focus. On top of it is a smaller knob called the fine focus, but you don't need that yet. For now, just use the coarse focus to bring your stage all the way to the top. Once your stage is in the highest position, look in the eyepieces and slowly lower the stage until the image becomes clear. Once you're focused, I suggest you use those knobs below the stage to look around to make sure that you're in the place that you want to be. Once you're focused and you're satisfied with the location, you can move to your next highest objective, which is the 10x, which has a yellow ring. The most important thing now is we are not going to use the coarse objective knob anymore. Once you're focused using the coarse objective on your lowest magnification, in your higher magnifications, you only use the fine focus. Move it gently in each direction and see which direction is making the image appear more clear. Once you're focused on your 10x, you can move to the next highest objective, which is the 40x with a blue ring. Once again, you're just going to repeat the process of gently moving the fine focus if you need to make the image become clear. Very important is that you never use the highest magnification, which is the 100x, unless you are using oil. Until your professor shows you how to do an oil immersion, you will not use the white lens because you won't be able to focus without using oil, and it's possible that in your attempt to focus, you can damage the slide or the microscope. So some quick tips. If you are a glasses wearer, you might want to consider trying to focus without your glasses if that makes things easier for you. The microscope will correct your vision so you don't need to wear your glasses if you don't want to. If you're working with a partner, you may still need to adjust the fine focus even after your partner has focused to the microscope because you might have slightly different vision. If, when you're initially trying to focus your microscope, you drop it all the way down and you still haven't seen something, you probably went too quickly. Just return the stage to the top and try again more slowly. If you're doing it really slow and you still haven't seen anything, check to make sure your specimen is actually under the light. If you need to wipe off your microscope because it is dusty, only use something that was designed to wipe off your microscope like a Kim wipe. Don't use a regular tissue or any other kind of cloth because that might deposit microscopic fibers onto your microscope, making things even harder for you to see. My last piece of advice is do not be afraid to ask for help. Either ask your professor, or if you feel like you need a lot of help, come talk to a tutor on the main campus in Penn Hall 211 or on the Monroe campus in Keystone 140.